Are you looking for a quick gluten-free bread alternative? Today I'll show you a soft, golden focaccia with fig jam, ready in just 5 minutes. You will need 150 milliliters water, 225 grams gluten-free flour, fig jam, 10 grams of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and 8 grams of instant yeast. Simple and wholesome. In a bowl, mix the flour, olive oil, water, yeast, and salt. Knead all your ingredients until you have a soft, smooth dough, compact but not sticky. Lightly flour your surface and roll the dough to about ½ centimeter thick. Use a cutter or glass to make circles, small circles to make snacks or larger circles for breakfast. Place a spoonful of fig jam in the center. Fold with another circle and press the edges firmly with your fingers so the filling stays inside while cooking. You can also use a fork to help you. Brush pan with olive oil. Cook each focaccia 2-3 minutes per side until golden and slightly crispy. While the jam inside will be warm and gooey. Decorate with fig jam and a sprinkle of powdered sugar. For a twist, sprinkle chopped hazelnuts for a crunch touch. And there you have it, a 5-minute gluten-free vegetarian focaccia. Soft, golden, and absolutely delicious. Serve warm and enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe to Healthy and Delicious and hit the bell to never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.